Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm trying out the Almay Velvet Foil Cream Shadow. So this is another one of the products that I got in my January 2023 Chic Beauty Box, which that unboxing video is up here on my YouTube channel as well if you haven't seen it yet. And this is a product that I was excited to get. It says on their card here, the retail value of $7.99. But I was just looking this up online and you can get it at Walgreens now on clearance for $1.99. So this is another kind of like old clearance product that ended up in my Chic Beauty Box, which I am not happy about. I mean, I'm happy to try this, but I feel like that box that I paid $35 for is a real ripoff. But so I got this in the shade Out of the Woods. So it looks like this brown shade, but I'm excited to try this out because it's supposed to be high intensity color that is crease, smudge, and fade proof all day. It says up to 24-hour wear. So I'm excited to see how this is going to look and apply. And it says to just apply it with your fingers, which I love. I love to apply my eyeshadows with my fingers. I feel like it's so much easier and quicker that way sometimes. And so it's just this squeezy tube packaging. So I'm going to start out by just taking a little bit and I'll do a swatch. It looks true to that dark brown color, but okay, wow, yeah, I think a little goes a long way. I took what I thought was barely anything, and that's so much that I think I'm going to use what's already on my finger to apply to my eye right now. So since I just kind of want to test this out, see how it applies, I'm just going to go ahead and apply it all over my eyelid. Ooh, and it is pretty. I like that metallic finish. Good pigment. I love that there's barely anything on my finger and I can still do a pretty opaque full eyelid. Ooh. Yeah, and it can actually diffuse out a little bit, which is what I'm trying to do into the crease here. Oh wow, that was really quick and easy to get a really pretty all over one color brown eye look. Ooh, and that is a pretty intense eye look. That was so quick to do. Okay, yeah, there is so much on my hand right here. I'm gonna pick up a bit more. And yep, it is buildable to even more of that foiled effect. So I love how pigmented it is. I wanted to test it on my hand here as well, if it really is smudge proof, but I feel like I picked up so much, yeah, that it is kind of smudging all over. So it's a little messy, a little tricky. This brown, that's pretty dark to wear alone on most occasions for me. So I'd probably just want to use this shade in the outer corner. I feel like I have it all over me. That on this side, let me just see, like if I just were to apply it in the outer corner. Oh, you know what? I think it's actually dried down now on my finger. But I know just in this outer corner, like that's where I love to put this shade. You can kind of already see. I barely applied any here because it has dried down, but I love the way it kind of lifts the eye, gives just enough of that smoky eye effect. But okay, now that I feel like it has dried down, oh, okay, so that's the trick. You've just got to let it dry down a bit and then it will be set and not smudge or budge. That's pretty awesome. So I know I made such a mess and this is not at all a real eye look, but to see how it is, like there's no creasing. It's definitely dried down now. Got it all over this finger, but let's see if there's transfer. Yeah, no transfer. It really is a nice formula. And if you can get this right now for $2, I feel like that is an incredible deal. I saw it does come in a few other colors as well. So now this is a product that I would recommend picking up if you can find it while it's on clearance out there, some places still, I guess. And one that, even though it's not great value for the Chic Beauty Box, I am happy to have this because this is the type of color that I'll be able to get a lot of use out of, more so in this way, just in the outer corner, but it's a great formula. I love the pigment. I love the metallic finish. I love that it's not going to budge or crease. So it is living up to those claims that it made. So if you have tried this out before, maybe in some of the other colors, let me know in the comments down below what you think of it, what kind of looks you've created with it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.